Hi friends, welcome back to your own channel Jangra and Associates. Friends, in this video we try to aware you about monkeys. Monkeys are very positive animal that thinks that humans are just their friend. See that we always try to feed maximum hungry monkey and their babies. See that little babies. See, so that you always try to care. Yes, see that. Okay, always try to feed them and protect from their skin disease. You see that this monkey, we see that little baby. See that little baby. It's only 2 or 3 days old, and they remain very friendly with me. I always try to feed them as much as I can, and you should also be. Being a human, you should also do like that. See that little baby, very little baby, very good, very good. Keep it up. Feed. Take this tomato also. Keep it. Very good. Okay. Share this video as much as you can. Like and subscribe my channel so that you can aware about these are very little and very cute monkeys. Okay, bye bye for now. Thank you.